Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on installing your own Python packages manually. This is part of a larger video series on installing Python packages, so if you haven't seen the main video yet, please watch that first. The first step is to acquire the Python source code. You can do this by going to the Downloads tab on the Python website and then using the wget program and the associated URL to download the bundled source code. You can then change this into a directory containing source code with tar xjf and then the .xz file that you got with the Python source code in it, and this will output to Python-3.7.2 in my case as a new directory. So I'm actually going to create a different directory, Python-example, for the build of Python, so not the source code but the actual executable files, and I'm going to change into the source code directory to compile it. So I don't want to install this on the system, I want to install it locally. So to do that, I want to use the /configure and then use the -- prefix flag. This requires an absolute path, so I'm going to print my working directory, and I actually want to use the Python-example directory inside of my home directory and not my current directory, but close enough. And I will use /configure -- prefix equals and then that directory. So when I run this, it will configure everything to be compiled, and it will set it up such that it will be installed in the Python-example directory. So after this finishes, I can make and then make install to finish up. So now I have all of my Python executables in python-example/bin, and so I can run /python3 to run Python 3, my local version and not the system version. And I'm going to try and import SidePI, which is a package I don't have, and it says module not found error, but now I can use pip to install it with pip3 install SidePI. /pip3, the local pip3 and not the system one, an important distinction. And now if I run Python 3 again and import SciPy, I don't get that error because it now exists. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email us at helpdesk@chpc.utah.edu. Thanks for watching.